Let's talk about the features and benefits of Ledinaire ClearAccent. It saves up to 80% energy compared to conventional lighting with an efficacy of up to 78 lumen watts. The spots are round and they can be fixed or adjustable. They have a faceted aluminium optic and a clear cover of polycarbonate. ClearAccent is available in 3 color temperatures and provides a loud output of 500 lumen with a beam angle of 36 degrees. The spot is phase dimmable and compatible with most leading-edge phase cut dimmers. Installation is easy with push-in connectors and pull relief. True wiring is also possible with a maximum of 100 spots. That was it. Thanks for watching.